Hello guys, in this video I would like to show the basic of the Adobe Photoshop. First, we click on Create New. It will show a dialog, so you can adjust the width and the height, and then we click Create. You can press Ctrl O to open the image you want to edit, and then click Open. You can press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer, and then you can press Ctrl D to let the image pre-transform. You can hold the Shift key to adjust the size that you want. You can also hold the alternate key to scale the image from the center. You can also hold the Control key to change the perspective of the image. Other than that, you can also hold the Control and the alternate key to flip up this image. And then you can also right click and then rotate this image, and then flick horizontal this image. If you want to undo the action that you do before, you can press Escape key. It will back to the original. Next, I will show how to remove background from an image. So we press Ctrl O to open the image. And click Open. So we move to the layer panel here, right click, and then choose the duplicate layer. Choose the destination to the blue sky, and then click OK. So it will copy this image to the blue sky here, and then we press Ctrl T to free transform this image. Then press Enter. So in this case, we want to remove this white background. So we hover the mouse to the eraser tool and then click and hold it. It will show the three sub menu here. So we select the magic eraser tool, and then we simply click on the white area, and then it will remove the white area part. So remove background successfully. Other than that, I will show how to remove a watermark or a text on the image. First, we choose the rectangle marquee tool, and then draw a rectangle area that you want to remove. And then we go to the menu bar, select, then click on color range, and then click on the sample color that you want to remove. Adjust the fuzziness value to a suitable value, then click OK. We go again the menu bar, select, and then choose Modify, expand by 2 pixels, and then click OK. We can fill this area by press Shift F5 and then click OK. After done this, we press Ctrl D to deselect. Watermark successfully removed compared to before. That's all. Thank you.